Hey guys, what's happening? We're in the beautiful Wolverhampton town, and today what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a bucket hat with the Murakami umbrella I have, and I'm gonna use a bucket hat which I'm gonna look for today, and then trace the pattern out with that, and then make the bucket hat. So let's go. Before we do that, subscribe and like our channel. Thank you. Let's go with me. So the first place we're gonna go is these two charity shops, thrift store in US, and then we're gonna see if we can find the bucket hat. Come on.
We haven't at the moment.
Oh, this video is just about hats.
Yeah.
Oh. So unfortunately, guys, this shop then had no bucket hat. But let's go to the next one. Let's see. Ooh, come on,
Yeah, bro. There's no buckets.
I think these are their own brand as well. They're like brand new.
Yeah.
No bucket hats here as well.
No, don't look like it.
What the hell is this shit? So we couldn't find nothing in those both stores. We were looking for a bucket hat, but we couldn't find it. Whoa, wait a minute, man. Give me this. Check my brother out. Look what he's wearing. What are you wearing, man?
Oh, we're in the custom Air Forces.
Yo, made by my G himself.
Got
And like,
Nike in it.
got the Nike drip. Woo, jeez.
Alright, cool. Let's go on to the next door now.
Let's go in. Let's see if we can find something. Yo, what is it? Are you fucking kidding me? No way. It can't be. Yo, look at this tag. Yo. Yes.
Alright, cool.
Definitely gonna
So
copy.
we just found the Ralph Lauren, what's this? Ralph
sheet.
Lauren bed sheets.
Yes. Let's get that. Therefore.
Oh, crap is on the floor, yeah. Put that up.
Bro.
You're gonna cop that now then?
Therefore getting it 100%.
Yo, so you copped him?
Yeah, bro, are you kidding me? Fucking look at this receipt, mate. £3 fucking pounds. That's how you do it. Hello.
Hi.
Two more shops left.
Yo, you wanna shower?
Yeah,
you wanna shower?
You can do it.
Bro, look at that free shower, man. Have a shower. Bro, I just found Little Nas X.
Where is it?
Yo, that's Little Nas X, bro.
Okay, guys, basically we couldn't find anything over there because we got a bit sidetracked working on this project for this guy and had to buy some shit. We'll show you later on.
Bro,
Yo, hey, no. No, she works with me. We'll go to the last shop and see if they have anything fire. Hopefully we can find the bucket hat we've been looking
Bro,
for.
we copped the Ralph Lauren, man.
Yes, the Ralph Lauren.
Bro, what are you gonna make out of that? What are you gonna make out of that?
Thinking about a tracksuit or even like a bedtime suit.
Are we going in here?
Yes, no.
Let's go.
Nothing. Anna? Should we check the brand out? It's got X on it. Yo, we went all the way to the town, yeah. Could not find a bucket hat. What are we gonna do now? Hopefully, let's see. We can. Yo, what? Found it, big cheese. Obviously, I found it, man. Cheap as well. £3 things. £3. Let's see what I can make out of it.
Yo, so we're gonna go back now, yeah, and
Sleep?
No.
No, obviously.
okay, yeah, we should go back. We'll film the video. And then,
Yeah. Imagine if I start pissing here and every car's got like piss on this side. And the fucking thing is, you can't even do anything. You just piss now. Imagine if you're Spider-Man, man. You can just like go on top of the thing. Just sit on top of that church.
Oh, that church over there.
Or like Assassin's Creed.
Yeah.
Jump and then die.
Do them all.
Bruh.
Obviously, there's not gonna be a haystack on the bottom. Like the olden times.
Even if there was a haystack, I don't think you're surviving.
Yeah. Imagine if you fall down here, then you fall like Tom. When he falls like that in same pose all the time and then sinks in the ground.
2 hours later.
I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Murakami bucket hat using this one. Let's do it!
Yo, so what have you done so far?
So what I've done is I've just taken the top panel off. I'm taking the bottom panel off, and that should be pretty much it. Nothing much in the bucket hat. And then I'm gonna trace the panel out on the Murakami umbrella. Then hopefully that should be it.
So this is the Murakami umbrella that we're gonna be using to make the bucket hat. So yeah, you can see it's a very cool design. Obviously standard Murakami with the flowers, you know what I mean. Yeah, so it's a waterproof material, so you know if you're wearing that hat in the rain, bro, it's gonna be waterproof, innit?
Yeah, it is. It's umbrella.
Bro, did you buy that sewing machine from Supreme?
Yeah, fam. Just walked into the Wolverhampton store and bought it straight off from Supreme.
Oh, good. You do actually have a Supreme toy in it. What's that again? What is it? A gun?
Yeah.
A keychain.
It's actually, it's so sick actually, like when you can actually put water in it and it splashes water out.
Oh, so it's a little water gun.
Yeah.
Water gun.
It's not.
That's why I like it. I'm gonna buy actually one like have all the vintage, not vintage but like collectibles. StockX has opened up a new section where you collectibles.
Collectibles.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to hit that up.
So what I've done here is I've cut out all the patterns, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trace it on the Murakami umbrella, and then it should be good there to go. Just trace it out, put it together, and you should get the hat.
So Just Karan's been working on the hat for about 4 hours, maybe 5 hours. It's like, I think, what's it now, like 8 p.m? It's about 8 p.m. Just gonna go over to his house to see if he's finished or not. So see you guys in a bit. Yo, so I just got back to Just Karan's house, yeah, and I'm so surprised of what he's made. It just looks so good. Like, I'll show you a little sneak peek here. So, yo, this is gonna come out so sick.
So what I've done is I've almost done the hat. So this is the bottom bit, this is the top bit. And what I'm gonna do now is just put the pieces together, put this lining in, and then that should be it. The hat's done, finished. Another half an hour and it should be done, hopefully. What's happening, guys, is the following day from when we bought the bucket hat, and then we didn't get the time to finish it yesterday. Another half an hour and it should be done, hopefully. But today we smashed it, and let's show it how it looks like.
Yo, I can't believe how it turned out. It looks so good. You can see more shots of it up on the screen now. They'll be on his Instagram too, so make sure you go like that. And yeah, it's fully waterproof. You can see that he's got the full, Murakami design on the top, all the way around. Even it's got the complex on the side. So
Let me show the.
Yeah. So if you just take it off, so you can see, it's got the mesh on the sides, to give that nice contrast between the bright colors. And yeah, overall it's been a great little project. And is this going to be on sale on your Depop?
Yeah, on Depop and wherever else. I'll probably like Etsy, Marketplace, on Instagram. That sort of places. Yeah, I really like how it came out. Very comfy, obviously waterproof, so you can wear it in rain. No one needs to worry about that. My man's wearing it now, looking very fly.
But yeah, so yeah, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.